Welcome to this brief introduction to the Quickscan circular business models. My name is Jan Jonker and today I am talking also on behalf of my two colleagues Niels Faber and Tim Berhaker. There's a variety of reasons why we need to pay more and more attention to circularity and sustainability. If we need to make a list, there are all kinds of arguments: the climate, of course, reputation, new laws, financial institutions, and it's up to every institute to make its own amalgamation of motives. The essence is moving from these motives to a way in which sustainability and circularity is embedded in the processes of the organization. For us, the circular economy is an economy in which we try to retain value. So the essence is value retention in loops. The circular economy itself is not a stand-alone economy, but it is combined with the existing linear economy, and from this linear economy we often say it needs to sustainify radically. So it's the combination of both that is indicating the way for the future. When organizing value preservation, there are a lot of things that will happen. We will make a better use of products, we have less consumption of commodities, and it leads to multiple value creation, but essential is to keep the balance between, on the one hand, sustainability and on the other hand, circularity. Because when striving for sustainability, the key message is to reduce the use of material, reduce negative impact. On the other hand, when organizing circularity, it's all about value retention, but that is not by definition sustainable. So the essence is, where do we find for each product a balance? We think the best way to go about is to create a novel series of business models. And for us, a business model, the essence is all about value creation organized by a number of parties, leading to value in different ways: ecological, social and financial. And the funny thing is, it also leads to a choice of different revenue models. Now, in the research we've done, we have developed a classification of already existing and future-oriented business models. And we found three groups of different business models. The one, for most people known, are resource models and design models, in which we try to, the best of our ability, maintain the quality of commodities. The second group, the use group, focuses more on lifetime extension, sharing and product as a service or servitization models. And what is upcoming is the third group, in which responsibility for the total life cycle of products is more and more important, leading to life cycle models where producers retain full responsibility for the life cycle. We've brought these different ideas together in a Quickscan, and the word Quickscan says it all. We try to make a quick analysis of where you stand and where you would like to go. So the Quickscan is built in two phases, and in the first phase we analyze the priority, your present business model and your ambition. And the outcome of this first phase is that you receive what is called radar plot, and when you fill it in, it leads to images like this that tell you something about your ambition, but also, for example, something about your current business model. And then we move to the second phase, in which 5 building blocks are offered to shape a new business model or either adopt your present business model. And these building blocks from top to bottom are to make a choice of the basic type of business model, a strategy choice. There are 10 strategies, organizational forms either inside or outside your own organization, supporting processes, and last but not least, revenue models. Because in the research we've done, we found out that there's a rather infinite choice of different revenue models, either on the monetary side, based on monetary performance, or non-monetary performance. And it's our conviction that the latter are getting more and more important. If you are interested, this is the full structure of the Quickscan, and using it will take between 30 minutes, but if you start reading, if you start to look up all kinds of things, yes, of course, you can spend an entire morning using it. Anyway, that's up to you. If you like to use it, there's a free download on this website in English, but if you read Dutch, who doesn't read Dutch, you can also download it on the Dutch website. The fact that it is free to use is due to a great number of sponsors. If in the use you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. My name is Jan Jonker, and you can also contact my colleague Niels Faber. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope you will enjoy using the Quickscan circular business models.